Hi, ladies and gents of YouTube. Terrence Romeo is a back-to-back champion and a finals MVP. Here are the highlights.
Thank you, bro.
I don't even know what year this is from. Oh, he's talking.
Thank you kayo yung mga hindi nakikita. Salamat sa sacrifice nyo. Thank you, thank you.
Facts.
Party tayo mamaya. Kita-kita tayo kahit saan. Thank you.
Yep, definitely. I don't know what the hell he just said. So he's on San Miguel, I believe. Hey. Ooh, that was nice. I got it. Oh my god. What's he got? Oh my god, it's so easy. So beautiful. Wait, his team's losing right now. Is he on TNT? There's no way, right? This is a best of 7 series though, okay. So even if he's losing, it's still got plenty of time. Oh, what is this quality? Okay, yeah, he is on San Miguel. Oh, buddy from TNT is tweaking. If y'all were worried that after losing game 1 that they were gonna lose, never think that. It's best of 7. Literally, it doesn't matter who wins the first game or even the first 2 games. Anything can happen after that. First 3 games, then it's pretty much decided. But oh my, oh my god. I don't even have words for that. Ooh. Bro, he lost game 1 and he's like, yeah, I'm coming back even more different. I ain't losing another fucking game. If he 4-1s them, oh, I would cream. Bro. Let me get some better quality though, and let me perhaps get some better quality. It's a fucking bucket. Oh, why is he jumping? Bang. Oh, what's happening? No fucking way. They lost the lead. Hallelujah. He really just did that. He really just did that. Oh my god. They end up winning? Oh, they did end up winning in overtime. That's fucking sexy. Damn! The hell is that? He's got that's a good move right there. Good pass. Saw that from a mile away, but TNT didn't. How many teams are in the PBA, y'all? Let me know. Bye. Oh my god. Y'all, also we're almost at 500 subs, y'all. Literally sub up. We can get them community posts. If he makes this, you gotta sub. Gotta do it now. Okay, that was too quick. If he makes this, then you have to. That's even tougher. You gots to now. But listen, we're almost at 500. If we can get community posts, I can notify you guys what's coming next. You guys can let me know what you want to see way easier. I can make polls. Bro, it would be so fire, trust. Bang. Ooh, that was tough. I wish the quality was better, but dude. It's Terrence Romeo. We don't need nothing more than just his straight buckets. Ooh. What the hell? Tough. Very tough. Ooh. He's good on the screens, it looks like. Oh shit, the games are tied 2-2. I didn't even realize. Is this gonna go to a 7? This goes to a game 7, dude. Holy shit. Three splatter, bang. Oh, that dude just scored? Don't matter. Cause splatter. Oh, I thought he was gonna do something crazy. San Miguel's losing again. No, no. And won. Comeback season. They won. They came back. Nice. And this quality is better. This is what I like to see. What a pass. Oh my god, that was disgusting. They're winning this game. I feel it. I feel it in my bones, boy. Ew, get off me, he said. That ain't a human. Terrence Romeo is not from this fucking planet. If he's gonna get you off him, he's gonna get you off him. I'm surprised he didn't call him a bitch afterwards. Oh. So, bro, the hezzies on that play were nutty. Splatter lefty. That's what I like to see. Haha, they're gonna win. Bang, psych boy. Get out of here. Good pass. Cherry picking don't matter. Oh yeah, it's game time. It's game time. TNT better put in the scrubberoonies. Put in the scrubberoonies. Yeah. Hey. Let's go. San Miguel. Let's get it. Let's see some after. Oh no, nothing after. All right, bad. Subscribe. Let's get the 500 community post. Let's go.